All right, so today I want to talk to you all about a program that we are launching at Quicknode to help rollups accelerate to mainnet. I am going to give a little bit of background first about where we're at in the market, and then we will get on to the program. And I pressed forward and it didn't move. The other forward. Backwards. Oh, too far. Okay, so today, according to L2 Beat, we have over 150 chains already live settling to Ethereum. Today, I'm just going to refer to all of them as rollups because it is a little bit complicated with all the terminology. But where are we going? Nope. The chains just keep coming, right? We have over 100 chains on L2 Beat that we know are upcoming, and from talking to all of the chain providers, it's clear we're probably looking at least 200 more chains added just this year. So how is this possible? Well, it's really never been easier to launch a rollup. You have things like chain stacks, super straightforward. I'll give you 100 tutorials where you can just take and launch an OP stack chain, right? Not that complicated. You have OP, you have ARB, you have all of these other ones coming out, making it very easy. You have rollup as a service providers like Quicknode, who make it easy to just press a button and you can have your chain deployed. Very simple, right? DevRel as a service, once your chain is launched, to be able to get attention there. Bridges now are not getting hacked every day. That's exciting. Custom gas tokens, blobs. The technology is moving very quickly and it is inexpensive to run these chains. But it's actually never been harder to launch a chain successfully. With all of the noise, it is very difficult to stand out. There's only a finite amount of liquidity and mindshare, and unfortunately, all of it is on meme coins. To do so successfully, you need dozens of ecosystem partners, right? And I'll get to that shortly, but that is very expensive. Talent to be able to do this is hard to come by. These people get paid a lot of money and they're probably already working at a chain. If they want to be a part of a chain launch, why don't they just do it themselves? How are you going to hire them? So it is very expensive and very complicated. Talking to people who have launched rollups, we're looking at probably about $30 million to $100 million to successfully launch a rollup these days. That is a lot of money. So what are we here to help with? We are launching Rollout, a accelerator for chains. This is going to be a program that is deep to help you with all of the different pieces of successfully coming to mainnet. We thought about doing a little grant program like some other providers might be doing, but we figured that wasn't enough and we wanted to do a lot more. Rollout. That's $65 million in partner benefits for chains. We have some of the biggest providers in the space out. We are offering $1.65 million in Quicknode RAS credits. You're going to get in front of Web3 VCs. We're going to get you in front of developers, millions of developers, and get you a fast track to mainnet. This is probably my favorite slide I've ever made for anything ever. These are actual partners that are already on board. Every single aspect of launching a chain, every category of ecosystem partner that you need, we have covered. And you might recognize some of these names. You know, they're pretty small. Things like Google, Blockworks, OpenZeppelin, Fireblocks, Dune. All of these people are coming and they will be offering discounts or free listings for your chain. What does this look like for participants? Well, it's just an 8-week program. It's pretty straightforward. You come, you apply. It is limited availability. We're probably looking at only 30 chains accepted into the program. Then we're going to go through and we're going to have workshops with some of the industry leaders, people in tokenomics, GTM, fundraising, branding. For example, we'll have Cami over at Barachain talking about branding. You're going to refine a pitch, and then we'll have a demo day at the end. Demo day is going to be highly competitive. It is not just investors that will be there, but also the ecosystem partners. For example, Across Protocol has said they will bring their bridge to one participant's chain. So your pitch on demo day will be your opportunity to be supported by the biggest bridge in the space. We are now live accepting applications. If you have questions, if you want to partner and be an additional provider out there offering value to these participants, come see me, scan this QR code, and go to the site. And that's about it. Thank you very much, everybody.
Thank you, Carl.